Hey, I'm back. Just wanted to show you the end result. Yep, the end result. $3 fix. That's what I call it, the $3 fix. All righty. So remember all the things that I said about this, what you can do and how you can get it done. Save yourself some money. All right, all right, all right. The $3 fix for the pump of a 08 HHR. All right, you all. Y'all have a good one, and I hope this helped you out. All right? We'll talk to you later. Remember, if you like this, just hit the like, subscribe button, and the Hot Rod Pastor will be coming with more things we have lined up for you, and we hope to see you soon. All right? Thank you. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Clean those windshields.